Now, even though the cabinets have been in for a while and all the cabinetry's finished, it still doesn't look like a finished kitchen, but it will in just a few hours now that the granite's coming in. Now, this is a Golden Hill granite from Denova, and of course the guys are bringing it in piece by piece, getting the biggest piece out of the way first, then they'll seam it all together, and within just a few hours this place will really look like a kitchen.
The thing people don't often realize about granite is that although it's very, very hard, it's also brittle. So moving it is a delicate process, even though it's some outrageously heavy stuff. But once it's on the broad, flat surface of the cabinet, it's fairly safe. Then the crucial lineup process begins. Making sure all the margins are even and the seams are perfectly aligned. The smaller pieces for the drop zone and coffee bar are the same Golden Hill granite we used on the island, but the counters on the back wall flanking the stove are Denova's quartz product in a Tuscan gray. This change in color and texture should add some really nice interest to this kitchen.